guys, this is Old School Custom Rides. Rod here. Well, we're gonna do some sheet metal work on the roaster. Working on that brake pedal. I had to do some modifications before we get to the sheet metal. We're gonna work on that, but I'm gonna tell you what I had to do to get this brake pedal to work. I had to do some modifications because the pedal was too long. I had to shorten it for it to fit right for me. Let's put it that way. Because I don't want to be having my foot sticking out too far out and then have to throw the brake. Okay, for that car. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the modifications I did. It came out pretty good. I already got it painted, welded, and everything. Right there. I'm going to show you the mess I made that I need to fix. It's like a rat came and bit the hell out of it. So, these are the templates I made. So I got R for right and L for left. This is gonna go like right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Hopefully it stays there. And this is gonna be my right. Just like that. You kind of get the idea. So the pedal's gonna go through here. And I'm thinking I probably might add a little piece here. I'm not too sure yet. I don't know. But that's what I'm gonna go ahead and just rivet. Probably put drill like 4 holes and rivet just for the meantime, because I'm gonna put screws on here, but I need to get the screws that are flat. I don't want them like this. I mean, I guess I can use some like this, but I don't have any more. I'm thinking of getting some flat ones. That way it'll lay flat with the sheet metal. So those are my plans. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. We'll go ahead and put that pedal in here just to see how it looks. And then we'll put those because the reason why I have to do it that way, because of the fact that when you put that pedal in there, once you put it in there, that's it. Okay. And if I do a sheet metal that goes over it, I mean, I'm gonna have to take the whole sheet metal off and everything. So I did a 2-piece. So that way, if I have to remove the pedal, I can take those pieces off and then take the pedal off. You know, but that's why I'm gonna rivet today, but then I'm gonna put some screws on there so that way I can just remove it like that, and then I can just put it back on. So we'll see if it works. It should work, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my camera set up on the tripod, and we're gonna get those templates cut. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that pedal off over there that's hanging, and well, you know what? Since I'm gonna just go ahead and just show you guys, might as well, how it's gonna look. It's only fair. So we'll go ahead and get that pedal. See how it looks. This thing came out pretty damn good. Not bad. There it is. This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put it like this. You see? And this other piece is gonna go over here on this side. It's a possibility. I might have to notch right here, just a tad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, cause it looks like it's gonna hit like right here. It looks like it ain't hitting, but you know, you never know. It might just hit. So we're gonna get these tablets cut, and then we'll get them rivet on there, and then we'll see how it looks. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to get my old school light because I need to buy me another one of those tall standing lights. I mean, like one of these LED lights, because the one that I have, it's a heat lamp, and that thing doesn't throw good lighting. Either way, we'll use whatever we can to make it work. All right, so I got my two tablets here. I got this sheet metal, I think, laying around. I think it's the same. I think it's a 14 gauge, or I believe so. Or it's not 16. Gotta be 14. I want to go and just mark it. I'm gonna go ahead and just put L for the left. That one will get confused. And this will be the right. There it is. So we're going to get that cut. I think I'm gonna clamp that. I'll clamp it, cut it, clamp it, cut it. Go get my clamp. I hope you guys enjoyed y'all's Christmas. I know I did. I ate a lot. Today was my first day back to work. Now I'm here making content for you guys. I'm always dropping stuff, man, I swear. There we go. Got the left and the right. So we just hope we don't have any more problems. Let's hope everything works out right. Because like I said it before, I'll say it again. When it comes to hot rodding, something always comes up. Just the way it is. So I'm gonna get the camera set up over there, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I got everything marked where I want these plates to fit. I got it marked there, and this one too. So it's gonna work. I'm only gonna put like maybe 4 rivets on there for the meantime until I get the screws, and then like later on in the future, if I ever have to mess with the like brake pedal, I can remove these off and I can take the brake pedal off. So of course the car's gonna get rugged here and there, but sometimes these things happen, man. If something breaks, well, you gotta fix it. So we're gonna put a few rivets on there, and we'll get it done. Guess I'll start on this side. This always happens to me. I break these damn bits. That's why I buy extra. That's okay. It was the last one anyway. It broke on the last one. There it is. There it is, guys. Cool. We'll go get that brake pedal just to see what it looks like. There it is. So I already put that rod on there, so the brake pedal is like that when it's compressed on that master cylinder. So it's like that. So when I decide to throw the brake, boom, it should be all the way. If I need to notch it here, I still have room to cut. Hopefully I don't anymore, but it's pretty like, I don't think it's gonna go any farther because it's right close to the the wall. Not the firewall, but the steel behind here that I need to put in later on in the future. Yeah, but that came out good, guys. Give that a thumbs up. Go ahead and clean all that metal shavings. That's good I put that cover on because I don't want the metal shavings go inside in there. Then I'm going to have to clean out the master cylinder because I don't want no, you don't want any, what you call it, well, I had to take it off anyway because of the fact that I had to put those plugs on those since that kit didn't come with the plugs after all. But you don't want metal shavings inside in there because then you can have big problems. So look at it from this angle. That came out good, man. Look at that. Boom. Just like that. My gas pedal will be on that side. That's my homemade bench, just for now. So that's pretty much it on the brake setup. Of course, brake lines and all that stuff will be done in the future. Like I said it on my videos. This video is gonna get some light here. I guess can't get no light here. Like I said, yeah, my videos, I need to get a rear end for this car, so I should be getting one. Hope for sure after the holidays, like I mentioned before. But I'm happy the way that brake pedal came out awesome. This car, like I said, it's gonna be built to where I'm comfortable with it, because so sometimes we build hot rods where you get cramped up in there, and then you don't want to, and then probably end up getting a cramp while you're driving. What's not good for your back, and I want to be comfortable in this hot rod. But that brake pedal came out awesome. It really did. So like I said, more videos to come, guys, on this roadster. We still got it. And should be getting the battery soon from our 55. But like I said, being the holidays, no money right now, broke. But we'll continue on these hot rods. Like I said, if you have any comments, let me know in the comments. Like I said, let me know how, if you approve or not. You know, I don't mind hearing the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to Old School Customized, go ahead and subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit that bell for more notifications. I just want to make sure I give you guys the best content that I can. And I appreciate all the followers that are following me. And if, like I said, it's going to be a good year, I guarantee you, on this hot rod. We're going to get, this will be a rolling chassis for sure next year. I guarantee you that. And that 55 will be out in the street for sure. But like I said, it takes money. But either way, like, we're getting there. We're getting there. Like I said, working for the front, working to the, I'm already in the middle. I still got to do the tunnel and all that stuff. And then work to the back. Get that rear end. Once I get that, we'll have a rolling chassis. Then go take my, well, that motor that's on there right now, like I said, if I'm going to mention right now, that motor, it's going to get, it's a 350 turbo main. I'm going to get that rebuilt. The 350 is a 350 turbo tranny. I'm going to get that rebuilt too. But that motor is going to go in my Malibu. And the motor in my Malibu, I'm going to rebuild it and put it in the roadster. It has a little cam in it and everything, but this car is going to be more like a cruiser with a little bit of balls. Not big balls, but just to make it sound good, just to drive it. That's all I want to do is drive this car. I'm going to have real fun with this one. Not that I don't have fun with my other hot rods, but I'm going to have fun with this one. My first hot rod I built from the ground up, man. That's pretty crazy. First time. But either way, like I said, thank you. Appreciate you guys. And, you know, keep subscribing and comment too, like I said. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Take care, man. I'll see you in the next one. Laters.